Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error fail to load hardware monitor driver on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So if you are unable to load the hardware monitor driver, obviously try resetting the PC, starting the PC once. But here's what I will suggest you to do. Download it from the manufacturer's website. Open Microsoft Edge or any browser, and let us say that you have an Asus computer, search for Asus drivers, or leave alone Asus drivers. Even if you had a Dell drivers or Edge drivers or Lenovo drivers, you could have simply searched for it here. Now since I have an Asus computer and it will be easier to show, I am going to the Asus download center website, or you can go to the website of your brand. Type the model number here, FA507RE for my system. Click on this one, select drivers and tools. Now scroll down and find the display drivers or the graphics drivers. Click on download and then click on open. It will need a while to open, and as soon as it does, it will launch an installation wizard. All you need to do is go through the installation wizard and install it on your system. And these are the Nvidia graphics card. There may be other graphics cards as well. Yeah, the AMD one. So if you are using a system which comes with a dedicated graphics card, download the second one as well. Okay, and then click on open. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.